Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading example video for you guys based on my secret market scanner. Once again, my secret market scanner identified EURUSD sell for the day, and if you go to the shorter time frame, you will see how powerfully it reacted from the resistance area based on my system rules, and then it went straight down for almost 40 pips and hit our S1 target area. So this is how my secret market scanner works. I have a great news for you. If you are not willing to put your time into the market and you don't know anything about forex and you want me to trade your account for you, then I'm here to help you. You can email support at FxChildsplaySignals.com and I'll be happy to trade your account for you. So do let me know. So that's it for this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel. Thank you very much.